Mmm. Really good. So, hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make frozen Instant Pot burgers. Not just the single ones, but the double ones with foil, water. So let's go. So now you're gonna need your foil and then your burgers. So normally you can do a single one, put seasoning and cheese on it, but I don't like doing that, and plus I usually like doubling up on the burgers so it will cook more food in less time. You're gonna now pour in your water. Then you're gonna stack your burgers. Put on your lid. Now you're gonna put your Instant Pot on manual and then set it for 25 minutes. But if you're doing single wrap burgers, it would be 20 minutes. So the Instant Pot just finished, so you want to shut it off and then you want to do a quick release, but be careful. So it stops, you want to pop it open. Ooh. Steaming. I would be careful. So it is finished. Let's pop open one of these babies. Ooh. Ooh, it is steaming. Ooh, it's hot. So this is what it looks like when it's cooked. Yeah. Let me grab this actually. That's why I don't like putting cheese on it right off the bat. So basically I don't have any buns because it's an Asian household and we're pretty cheap. So this is my bun, my French toast, my garlic bread, you know, probably a typical household. So now I'm gonna put my seasonings on it. Hit it with some seasoning. Cheese. Pop it into the microwave for like a minute. Alright, now I'm going to assemble my sandwich. Get my tomatoes in here. My lettuce. And now the main attraction. The burgers. Look at this. Ooh. Check this out. Ooh. look at this right here. I mean, you don't have to assemble your burger this big. So, but I like mine this big, so. Really good. So, simple, easy. Making this type of video, like, and don't forget to subscribe so I can make more of these. Look at this, delicious. See you guys next time.